Today we are going to discuss about the ISE integration with Cisco Catalyst Center. As I have told in my last video also, we are going to make one complete new video on discussing about Cisco ISE integration with Cisco Catalyst Center. So this is a part of the same series of videos. Okay, well, okay, let's start. Okay, we are going to start it off. Okay, so we have this is a freshly installed ISE infrastructure, and this is freshly installed this one infrastructure ISE. Okay, so what exactly we're going to do it, we're going to enable the services first. Exactly how we're going to enable the first, we're going to start with the pix services. The pix is basically an integration services that is required by Cisco DNS Center. You have to just click it enable. In this scenario, you have to keep some time to get the service to enable perfectly, because without giving time it won't be enabled. So you need to wait at least 5 10 15 minutes 10 minutes after enabling this service. Okay, let us go to, in the meantime, let's go back to settings. In the settings, we need to enable API services. API is basically a service that is going to push and pull services are there. Okay, see, you're going to have enable, for example, ice1lab.com. Currently this service, okay, this is the one service which we need to enable it up. Okay, we need to enable ERS services. So once ERS service has been enabled, it's give you an access to read and write access on the system. So right now we are going to enable it, so it give us a warning. Okay, make sure that you don't enable this ERS check for the enhanced security, because currently Cisco DNS doesn't support single token with multiple. In the development we have a token serve system in Ford. Okay, that is a part of the game. Okay, we just need to give it some time. Okay, we have it something here. Let us see some here. If it is not working, px grid service shouldn't be working right now. Yes, it's not working, so give us some time, like 15 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay, in the meantime, it's totally depend on your CPU utilize speed also. So I'm just pausing the video for some time and I will come back in the next video. Welcome. I'm just okay, see, the service is currently working right now back. Okay, see, everything, both the iService Pixgrid is working fine. Now mean that we can start integration with ISE. Before we start integrating, we need to make sure that if you're going to go to do software management, like in case if you're going to do SDA in future, we just need to enable a couple of services on Cisco Catalyst Center. Okay, the new version is still available there, 17.711. You can download it. I don't want to download right now, so I just need to enable SD access application. These two services I need to enable. Okay, this one quality service, in case if in future you require to have an access control service, is one. This and this service should be enabled if you want to do SG tagging and other stuff. Okay, so let's start. We'll just install. It's going to take some time to install the services because it's completely fresh, so it doesn't have any services installed, so it cannot do any kind of SDA. If you want to download the new center, you can just download it. It is going to download for you, but I think so you need to have an account for that. I don't want to download only. So it's just a some version. It's my 11.7. Okay, it's 2.3.7.11. So it's having a very good new version is there with a different layout. So let's see if I can make a video on that also in future. Now see, they are installing it up. See the application. Sorry, by mistake I click registration also. I don't want to need this service. Okay, but I by mistake I put it. No worries. It's not gonna harm us. It's basically a Tesla. Just give us some time. In the meantime, I will post the video again. Okay, just give us some time, so it will be done. Hello, hi. Well, I have already installed the services here. See, you have already seen the service codes installed, so it took a long time for me to install, like almost 30 minutes or something like that. So this is the other list of services that are not installed on the server that we cannot install it. Okay, but you can download and install later on. One of the most important services is called disaster recovery services there, in case if you're having a cluster multi-cluster environment in different cluster in different site, could be in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, what is exactly happening, what, okay, like a DRO production, whatever. So in this scenario, you're going to utilize these services, okay, for um, integrating that. So well, I don't have this environment right now to show you this one. Probably if I do have some environment, I will let you show how to do a disaster the recovery. Okay, so before going anywhere, we just need to, now we need to integrate it. Before we integrate, we just need to find out whether we have did all the steps. Okay, because being the first thing we need to check it out, okay, is whether, let me get this one, we're going to require this. Okay, just let me copy this one. We have to enable PixGrid services. Okay, here see enable device services missing, so we just need to enable device services for device management via TechS configuration. Just click OK. The first thing that we need to do it. It's taking time. That's okay. Now after that, we need to go to settings. We need to go to API settings. We need to go to and check it whether ERS system is unable for write and read. And we, as I told you earlier, this is, it has to be disabled. Okay. The final thing that I'm going to check, I'm going to go to PixGrid services, the one which we have already enabled. I need to make it automatically approved. So if you are so I don't have to manually approve. In the previous version the manual approval is required, but here it does work even though if you do add it. Then I need to go to settings. I need to scroll down all the way until I find authentication policy services. Okay, then I need to add ISE. I need to provide the IP address. Okay, one, so it's totally dependent on the ISE, what exactly the IP address. Okay, I will just provide Cisco at Cisco 123. Okay, I will just put Cisco. Anyway, it's not required, but it's okay. Cisco 123, and the username is very much required, which we are going for having admin privileges. So FQDN I've already copied it, as you understand. Okay, then you have to enable this one. Then you have to enable this one. The PixGrid enable, it will allow you to connect to PixGrid. Then you have to wait. If everything goes right, now you'll get a authentication. Do I trust the certificate from ICE? Yes, I'm gonna trust the certificate. It's gonna take some time, quite 5 minutes or something, or sometimes it will be too fast. Okay, like us, because it's fresh installation. Now the system is active, which means the ICE is able to authenticate. Now just to verify if everything is working fine, I should be getting a summary count 1. It was earlier 0. Now I should be, one more thing, I should be getting a DNA as a ICE bridge. Okay, this is done now. After that, I need to go back here. I need to go to provision. I need to go to policies and group policies. Okay, and I need to do start migration. This is only required if you're going to use SGT taggings for migrations. If you're not using SGT taggings, the migrations are not going to help you out, but anyway, we'll do it, the migration. Now it's going to migrate all this one SXPS from that one to here. Here is settings. SXPS policies. It's a bit new. Just a minute, let me fix it summary. Yes, this is live logs. This is the one for, yeah, this is TruckSec. Yeah, this is the one. Overview of TruckSec. Okay, just a minute. SXP policies. This is the one which I was talking about. SXP policies. Okay. Just a minute. It should be somewhere here. TrustSec policies. Yeah, this is a TrustSec policy. Sorry, it's basically a new version of ISE. Okay, so it will give you all the metrics. Okay, this will be this old TrustSec policy will move toward the to that area. So by using this migration, so you're making ISE to migrate. Okay, SXP policy, like if I want to make some policy, I cannot make policy right now from here, but I can make only the policy from SGT policy from here. This will be only installed in case if you're going to do some kind of SGT tagging and rule like a access list for that. So now my video got over. I think so. The video is fab. I think so. If you enjoy the video, please don't forget to like the video as well as subscribe to my channel. It's gonna help me as well as to you guys for upcoming videos. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Bye bye.